Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to add a MidJourney bot in your Discord server, then this video is for you. First, you have to log into your Discord server, Discord account, and then go to the server that you want to add the MidJourney bot. So here you can find a drop down with the name of the server. Simply click on it and you can find the app directory. Simply click on it, and from here you can find different types of app that can make your server amazing. So search for MidJourney here. Journey, and you can find the MidJourney bot here. Simply click on it and click on add app, and here you can find add to my app or add to server. So we are going to add to server. Now select the server where you want to add. Simply click on continue and give all the permission and simply click on authorize. So you might need to go through the captcha. When you complete the captcha, it will easily, here you can see success. So that's mean my MidJourney bot has to been authorized here. So go to your channel here or the server here. Then from here, let me show you. Here you can find the bot here. That MidJourney bot is just added to our server, and that's that much simple. So hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.